Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. What I have here in this linen closet is an access hole for a doorbell transformer. That's where there's the transformer right there. But, you know, who wants to see that hole there? So what works out just right is it's got this double sticky back tape on the back of it. These are door protectors. And what works good is a little caulking around there as well as the double-sided sticky tape. But if you want to be able to remove it again, you can just use the sticky tape. Just need to have a clean surface. But if you want it to be permanent, because it's not too often that you need to replace those, then you can add some caulking around this. But just stick it on. And most of mine are getting painted white. These are paintable as well, so but there it is, nice and strong. Done deal. It just works good. At least it's not such a unsightly deal for the doorbell access deal. And the doorbell can still work. And test that out now. Sounds like that doorbell is on the back door setting, which has a single chime. It can be rewired a little better to have the dual chime. Might have a video that shows that. If I get a chance, I'll try to make another one showing how to rewire that for the dual chime.